Excuse me. That's one way to do an intro to a recording. Okay. Excuse me again. So this recording is... Shut up. This recording is just to, show you what's actually going on, with the, stormux, installer. Because, I tried installing this a few minutes ago, and it errored out, so I'm gonna... Although, when I record this for you, it sometimes seems to listen to me, so maybe I just need to record this and... I don't know. So I'm gonna plug in a flash drive. I'm installing this on a HP computer from, I believe, 2015, although we bought it in 2021. So I'm gonna plug this into the USB port, and of course it's going to fail because all computers have the thing where you have to rotate the USB thing constantly. Come on, there we go. Alright, so the drive is in the thing. So I'm gonna boot this up and immediately start smashing F9. Also, I've got Joshua on Discord with me, and he has had some previous issues with this in VMware when he tried to install it in there.
Yeah.
So. Alright, I think that's enough F9 smashing. Now I think... Oh, maybe I didn't. Alright, let's try this again.
Ah. Yes, and there's the hard drive groaning because it doesn't want to be tortured.
Can we be done yet? My arm's getting tired.
That's enough. Alright. Do I seriously have to go and grab someone who knows, like, who can actually see? Oh, there we go. Did you put a nuke in my device? No. And then we should get, if this is loud enough, smash enter. Where's my smash enter prompt, huh?
I don't know.
I swear, if it's secure boot being a douchebag. Alright. Granted, it's probably loading speech components into RAM. And doing whatever the hell it does in VMware when I try to boot the install.
Oh.
If this is loud enough, press enter.
Now I'm gonna let this speak that a few more times because I need to...
Loud enough, press enter.
Because my keyboard doesn't have volume keys, which is stupid.
If this is loud enough, press enter. If this is loud enough, press enter.
Alright, that's good.
And welcome to stormux. Let's get you set up. Please press enter to continue.
Yeah, so Storm, I hope you are hearing this decently, because the speaker is all the way at the back of the system, and I don't know a way to get my mic back there without dropping it from altitude and possibly smashing it into the wall. So, oops. Alright, so I accidentally hit down arrow, so I'm going to smash enter.
Like to switch Fenrir to laptop layout. Press Y for yes or N for no, followed by enter.
Now, as you can hear by the hard drive, this is a desktop. Well, I mean, granted, that probably wouldn't have told you anything regardless. Some laptops have platters. Anyway, so I'm going to hit no.
Internet connection detected. Press enter to open network manager.
That's fine, I'm not using Ethernet, I have Wi-Fi, although it is very slow.
Wired activate. Wired connection 1. Y-Fi. Netgear 27.
Y-Fi?
Netgear 27 star. Activate Netgear 12 authentication required by wireless net.
Yeah.
Star.
Yeah, now you know my Wi-Fi password now.
Connecting. Fill vertical rectangle. 11 star. Authentication required by wireless
God damn it.
Password.
Oh, you know what though?
Required to access the wireless network Netgear 27. Password 11 star. Cancel OK. Password 11 star. Password 10 star.
I forgot some extra characters.
Star. Connecting. Fill vertical rectangle. Wired. Connection 1. Star Netgear 27 star. Fill vertical rectangle.
Alright.
Quit. Updating the clock to prevent certificate errors. Current date and time. Sunday 30000 UTC 2026. Please select your region. Use up and down arrow for page dash up and page dash down to navigate the list and press enter to make your selection. Africa, America, and
Okay, first of all, why is it pausing like that?
Africa, America. Please select a city near you. Use up and down arrow or page dash up and page dash down to navigate the list. Attack, Anchorage, and Denver, Detroit. Would you like to run the stormux installer? Why? Stormux installer for Arch Linux. Accessibility dash first system installation. Stormux installer started. Installation log. /tmp/install stormux.log. Stormux installer -re-flight checks. Checking for root privileges. Root check passed. Detected UEFI boot mode. Checking for required tools. All required tools present. Checking internet connectivity. Internet connection verified. All pre-flight checks passed. Disk selection. Select installation target. Available disks. SDA 931.5G disk SD1000 DM003-1 SD102 SDB 117.2G disk USB 1 SDA 3 use existing /MNT already mounted root /home/boot 2 SDB for cancel. Enter target number.
Alright. Alright, so we want SDA.
1. Selected disk.
Excuse me.
SDA. Partition layout selection. Choose your partition layout. One single partition router.
Yeah, we get the idea. We want one.
1. Selected partition layout. Single. Planned disk layout. Boot mode. UEFI. Target disk. /dev/SDA.
Or UEFI, as some synthesizers say it.
Mounted at /boot. /dev/SDA to arrow right root text for mounted at /home will be inside root file system. Warning. All data on /dev/SDA will be destroyed. Warning.
All data on /dev/SDA will be destroyed.
Partition layout. cipher type mount points. SDA 8:00931.5G0 bit. SDA 18:101G0 part. SDA 28:20930.5G0 part. Type YS in capital letters to confirm destruction of /dev/SDA.
The time is 4:30 p.m.
And that was just Steve's clock going off in the background. Okay.
YES. User confirmed destruction of /dev/SDA. System configuration. Enter host name for the new system.
That sounds so... like it sounds... like it sounds so urgent.
Enter host name for the new system.
Alright, now you know what? Since Rich Yamamoto did this, and since Joshua named his VM this, we're gonna...
CRISPYVRAILE. Host name set to Crispy Rail. Enter root password.
Now we enter my profanity-filled password. I mean... you heard none of that.
Confirm root password. Passwords do not match.
You know, if I could type for once, and if I could just get them both right on the first try one time, that would be great.
Confirm root password. Root password set. User account setup. Press enter without typing a username when done adding users. Enter username or press enter to finish. DAN. Enter password for fan.
Now, just a friendly word of advice, Storm. I know you don't want it to speak passwords when you type them, like when you type the actual characters, but at least I would recommend having it speak the characters as you press backspace to delete them. That way people don't have to do this for like 20 minutes straight. Literally most of the crap on this system requires sudo access.
Enter username or press enter to finish.
Now, no, I was trying to do the Mario theme with my backspace key. Anyway. What?
Enter username or...
Okay, I'm done. I pulled a Chris there.
We're making pizza to your work. Hope you don't mind.
You turned all my work into a fidget spinner. I hope you're happy.
No. Or how about this one?
I spent all this time writing documentation.
Oh, I need to clip that. Because, yeah, I'm also streaming on YouTube, but, anyway, okay. What the hell am I doing?
Enter username or...
Okay, no. Can't done.
At this rate, he's never gonna be able to figure out what's wrong.
No. Yeah, you're right. We should. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna go through the whole crap where I add random users. We're gonna smash enter.
Total 1 users to be created. 10. Select desktop environment. 1 console only 10 with screen read.
Obviously, we're gonna go. Well, not obviously, but nah, we're gonna go with number 3.
Desktop environment. Made. Dash login configuration. Auto dash login user set to 10. Auto dash login user 10. Optional game managers. Install Linux dash game dash manager native Linux game.
Now, originally, I thought these were why it was erroring out, because it was causing it to have to pull down even more packages, which is crap
Capping out my bandwidth.
of my router. But, you know, could also just be crappy internet and buggy installers. I don't know.
Install Linux dash game.
So we're gonna say no.
Linux game manager will not be installed. Install audio again.
No.
Audio game manager will not be installed. Enable
Excuse me.
SSHD on boot. Y/N.
I don't have SSH, so
N. SSH server will not be enabled. Detected time zone. America/Detroit. Time zone set to America/Detroit. Configuration summary. Host name. Crispy Rail. Users. Desktop. SSH enabled. No.
yeah.
Time
Thanks, Rich Yamamoto.
Detroit. Press enter to continue with installation.
Okay, we're gonna smash enter. So now we get to the part where things actually get interesting.
/F/SDA 8 bytes with erased and offset 0x0000002000 GPT 45 46 49 20 50 41 52 54 /F/SDA 8 bytes with erased and offset 0 PAT 0 PP 5 B 00 GPT 45 46 49 20 50 41.
Alright, buddy, that's enough out of you. Now here is where things actually start to happen. Now I might cut some stuff out. I might cut some of this silence out of this track, assuming Goldwave can open MKV files, which I hope it can. Otherwise, I'm gonna be mad because I sat here recording this for. Although I don't even know how you cut parts out.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that in Goldwave, so.
Total 0/6 break-1-1.88.138-1-x86-6428.0 IP 366 IPs Linux-firmware Linux-7.0.3.arch1-2 retrieving packages. Proceed with installation retrieving break-lin-GC's total break-lin-1:1 break-lin-1:1.8 break-1-1.138.1x86-6452.3 IP 847 IP/S22833-29 Linux-firmware-NVIDIA-20,410-1-89.9 IP 273 IP/S53333-9 Total 0/697 124.0 IP 1120 IP/S212433-8
break-1-1.88.138-1-x86-6452
The
joys of
IP/S34333-29 total 0/break-lin-1:1.8 total 0/697 190 total break-lin-
Alright.
Shut up.
Now I see why they call it the shut up key. Or, well, technically the shut up key is the control key in terms of JAWS and NVDA and shit, but Well, technically any key can be the shut up key, assuming, well, depending on the application.
Linux dash 7.0 total 0/600 break dash in dash 1:1.88.138.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna just, like, censor some of this out and just, like... Oh god, this reminds me of Toomey's, Apple Watch SE setup video. Where he was scrolling through the language list, and it took him a while to get to the United States option, so he just, like, edited out and just put in, like, a time warp sound in there.
Oh,
Oh god, why did my microphone disconnect again? Stupid piece of shit. Oh, there we go. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, I think NVDA just crashed. You gotta be me. Oh, wait.
Needs January 2nd, 32 Pro. Stop capturing display 1. stormux more workstation window. The desktop list. This piece. Outlook quick start. OB Studio. Oops. Task. Desktop and NVDA. Selected.
Ah, don't you love when you have to... Don't you love when you have to turn on narrator for crap?
JAWS is ready. For screen-sensitive help, press Insert plus F1. For JAWS help keys or help in dialog boxes, press...
Yeah, shut up. Okay.
stormux-VMware work. Ops 32 controls menu. Stop recording.
Thank you for clicking installing a mounting file.
Oh, yeah, okay. So...
A mounting file system sync file.
I'm gonna go back up.
Failed retrieving file Linux -7.0.3.arch1-2-x8664.pkg.tar.tst from geo.mirror.pkgbuild.com. Operation too slow. Less than 1 byte/sec transferred per last 10 seconds.
Now, this could be very well my dumb internet. I may have to try, well, problem is I can't install it on any other network because I can't, like, transport this around so easily because this is a massive PC tower, not a freaking laptop. What I was gonna say was I could try installing it at a place where there's better, network, but, you know.
Error. Failed retrieving file Linux-firmware-intel-20 2060,410-
Oh, wait.
Error. Error. Failed retrieving file GCC-16.1.1 plus R12 plus G301
Pause recording.
M08
Download dash file and back again comma, so let's mess around with random. stormux-VMware. 32. Download dash file and back again comma. I'm back. stormux-VMware. 32. Download dash file explorer. Fast switching menu. I'm back again comma, so let's mess.
Actions. Warning. Too many errors from geo.mirror.pkgbuild.com. Skipping for the remainder of this transaction.
Desktop list mvdxdiag.dos by Discord 53 of 108.
Why did my Discord just crash?
Discord. Clickable friends main landmark online 3 property page. Go to settings. Search. Select eloquence.
Friends, Discord, friends document, friends main landmark, online, free property page.
Friends Discord, bullet. More, button. Active now we 100, skiing underscore is underscore, we 101 slash empty main server vertical line with RV2.0 beta YouTube live, button. YouTube live vertical line we 100.
Okay, well that was weird.
Not a narrator command. Exiting narrator.
Jaws is ready for screen sensitive help. Press insert plus F1 for Jaws help keys or YouTube. And 1/MP stormux-VMware workstation.
But yeah, so
Actions. Warning. Too many errors from geo.mirror.pkgbuild.com. Skipping for the remainder of this transaction.
Transaction? What are you talking about? I didn't even pay you.
Is in the pump above it.
What?
There's body wash in the pump above.
Okay.
Top side. So we're on the right side of the shower.
Yeah.
Wash up on the top shelf, and on the bottom where the tub is the face wash.
Okay.
Using either of them?
Yeah.
Been using the body wash?
Yeah.
This is the one you can put in your shaving kit
Okay.
for travel. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Error. Failed retrieving file GCC-16.1.1 plus R12 plus G301F02C5-1-X8664.pkg.tar.cst from mirror.rackspace.com. Operation too slow.
yeah. So I think I don't know. Maybe you can. Maybe Storm, you can shed some light onto what's going on. But my guess is that it's my internet and the fact that this PC may have a cruddy Wi-Fi card, and that I may just need to buy an Ethernet cable and possibly switch to Ethernet? Question mark.
Low battery.
Oh yeah. Get out of here with your low battery alert.
50%, 45, 55, 10, look close, button. Seeing AI, menu, button.
E. NDS. Error. Failed retrieving file Linux dash firmware dash NVIDIA dash 20,260,410 dash 1 dash any.pkg.tar.tst from geo.mirror.pkgbuild.com. Operation too slow. Less than 1 byte slash sec transferred the last 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Error. Failed retrieving file Linux dash firmware dash NVIDIA dash 20,260,410 dash 1 dash any.pkg.tar.tst from mirror.rackspace.com. Connection timed out after 10,000 milliseconds.
Yeah, I don't know, because I thought that maybe me recording this would cause it to, like I said, actually work, because when I try to record these, it does. Somehow. Although that was in VMware, this is on an actual system, so I don't know.
Error. Failed retrieving file break 1.1.1.86.100.38-1-x8664.pkg.tar.tst from packages.stormux.org. Operation too slow. Less than 1 byte/10.
Or it could be your server's having issues.
Error. Failed retrieving file Linux-7.0.3.arch1-2-x8664.pkg.tar.tst from mirror.rackspace.com. Operation too slow. Less than 1 byte/10.
Pause recognition due to inactivity.
Seconds.
Home audible.
Ignore that.
Warning. Too many errors from mirror.rackspace.com. Skipping for the remainder of this transaction. Error. Failed retrieving file Linux-firmware-intent-20,216,410-1-any.pkg.tar.tst from mirror.rackspace.com. Operation too slow. Less than 1 byte/10 transferred the last 10 seconds. S. Warning. Failed to retrieve some files. Error. Failed to commit transaction download library error. Errors occurred. No packages were upgraded. Error. Failed to install packages to new root. Error. Packstrap failed. Error. Package installation failed. Error. Installation aborted during step. Base system installation exit code 1. Finalizing installation. Syncing file systems. Syncing file systems. Mounting file systems. Mounting file systems.
Ew!
Installation cleanup complete. Cleanup complete. Thank you for choosing stormux. Root at stormux still the cache.
Now I wonder if I can just run...
L--STORMUX. Stormux installer for Arch Linux. Accessibility dash first system installation. Stormux installer started. Installation log. /tmp/install-stormux.log. Stormux installer -3-light checks. Checking for root privileges. Root check pass. Detected UEFI root mode. Checking for required tools. All required tools present. Checking internet connectivity. Internet connection verified. All 3-light checks pass. Disconnection. Select installation target. Available 1. Selected disk. /dev/sda. 2 separate component. 1. Selected partition layout type Y. Y-E-S. User confirmed destruction of system configuration. Enter host name for the new system. C-R-I-F-E. Host name set to Crispy Grail. Enter new password.
Wait, actually... Instead of property...
Enter root. Enter root. Passwords do not match.
Damn it.
Please try again. Enter root password. Confirm root password. Root password set. User account setup. Press enter without typing a username when done adding users. Enter username or press enter to finish. DAN. Enter password for Dan. Confirm password for Dan. Should Dan have root privileges? Why? Dan will have sudo access. User Dan will be added to wheel group. Added user.
The hell is wheel
Enter
group?
username or press enter to finish. L-R-E-S-H-L-R-Y-L-O-E. Enter password for French fry frog.
Yeah, the first installation was trying to be professional. The second one is no professionality, if that's even a word. Or I think it's professionalism, but whatever.
Confirm password for French fry frog. So French fry frog can root 3 minutes to access Y/N.
Why? French fry frog will have sudo access. User French
This is
fry
Nash's
frog
user,
will
by the
be
way.
added to wheel group. Added user. French fry frog. Enter username or press enter to finish.
If he ever has to use this PC, then no. What? Oh, yeah. Actually.
And I'm pretty sure you can guess. Oops. Pretty sure you can guess whose user that would be.
Enter password for Pop-Tart Slingshot.
And this is why you have it speak characters as you delete them.
Password for Pop-Tart. Slingshot can Y. Pop-Tart Slingshot will have sudo access. User Pop-Tart Slingshot will be added to wheel group. Added user. Pop-Tart Slingshot. Enter username or press enter to finish.
That username was created in dedication to another friend of mine. Anyway,
Enter username.
we're gonna press enter.
Users. Total 4 users to be David. 10 French fry frog hamburger Pop-Tart Slingshot. Desktop environment.
Maybe I should set those as my pet. No.
2 free tiling window manager. 3 made traditional 10. 3. Desktop environment. Made. Auto dash login can enter user number. B. Click. 4 pop. 3 2 1 10. 2 10. 1. Auto dash login user set to 10. Auto dash login user 10. Optional game managers. Install Linux dash game dash manager native Linux games y/n. Install Linux dash.
Say no to game managers.
Install log n. Audio game manager will not be installed.
If I want to run old audio games, I will boot up an XPVM and run them in there. And say no to SSH.
SSH server will not be enabled. Detected time zone. America/Detroit. Press enter to use this time zone, or type a new one E.G. America/New York. Time zone set to America/Detroit. Configuration summary. Hostname. Crispy Rail. Users. 10 French fry frog hamburger Pop-Tart Slingshot. Desktop. Made. SSH enabled.
I love the way it says it though.
Detroit. Press enter to continue with installation.
Let me check chats really quick. Assuming I can find the damn...
4:59 p.m.
Oh, it's probably gonna be time for...
090.
The time is 5 o'clock p.m.
Double tap to open. Doc messages. Double tap to open app switcher. Seeing AI. App Store. Chrome. YouTube. Active. YouTube. Active. Welcome to live chat. Learn more. Add emote. Chat add learn. Well, add audio. Add open 0 top message 0.
Oh, there's literally no one watching now. Whatever. What the hell am I doing?
Press enter to continue with installation.
Alright, we're gonna try this again.
Creating UEFI single partition layout on /dev/sda/dev/sda. 8 bytes were erased at offset 0x0000002000 GPT. 45, 46, 49, 20, 50, 41, 52, 54. /dev/sda. 8 bytes were erased at offset 0p80dp5b00 GPT. 45, 46, 49, 20, 50, 41, 52, 54. /dev/sda. 2 bytes were erased at offset 0x00.
I'm gonna leave speech on and see if that helps.
55 bar. Partition table created successfully. Partition incomplete. Creating file systems. Creating EFI file system on
/dev/sda1 MKFS. You mean file system?
21-01-31. Creating root file system on /dev/sda2 mke2fs1.47.46-r-2025 /dev/sda2 contains a ext4 file system last mounted on /mnt on Sunday 3/16/36/2026. Creating file system.
Why does the partition of STD even matter? That's my flash drive that I'm booting off of.
Blocks and 60,989,440 nodes. File system UUID 3B06-0587-36C2-411C-B set-ogle-bin-1.88.100-38-1-86-64-86.IMIB 1970-KB/S046-33-49 Linux-7.0.3.arch1-2-x86-64-37.3 MIB 107-KB/S1730-33-25 Linux-firmware-Intel-20,410-1-82.2 MIB 204 KB/S101733-1 Linux-firmware-NVIDIA-20 total 0/697-204.7 MIB 2.60 rate-lid total 0/rate-lid-1-138.138-x86-64-120.0 MIB 800 GCC rate-1-1.88.138-x86-64-125.8 MIB 505 KB/S total rate-lid-1-1.88.138-x86-64-134.5 MIB 689 KB/S
And there go the dogs in the background.
total rate-lid-1-1.88.138.138-x86-64-142.4 MIB 5 rate-lid-total 0/697-300 rate-lid-1.88.138-1-x86-64-151.5 MIB 500 total rate-lid-1:1.88 progress monitoring disabled progress monitoring enabled rate total 0/697-381.5 MIB 1958 KB/S 959-33-24 rate-lid-1:1.88.138-x86-64-160.2 MIB 260 KB/S 059 total 0 rate-lid-1:1.88.138-1-x86 64 168.5 MIB 150 KB slash S047 33 hash 96 Linux dash 7.0 Linux dash firmware dash NVIDIA dash 20,260,410 dash 1 dash any 70 total 1 Linux dash total Linux dash 7.0
Okay, we're making progress. Although, I'm still questioning.
Linux dash firmware dash Intel dash 20,260,410 dash 1 dash any 87.4 MIB 60.1 KB slash S103733 0.45 0.4 0.5 speech pitch speech volume 1 0.73 Linux dash 7.0.3.arch 1 dash 2 dash x86 64 115.7 MIB 273 type total Linux dash 7.0.3.arch 1 dash 2 dash x86 64 121.3 MIB 200 Linux dash 7.0 total Linux dash 7.0.3.arch 1 dash 2 dash x86 64 125.8 MIB total Linux dash 7.0.3.arch 1 dash 2 dash x86 64 129.3 MIB 58.3 KB slash S5 1333 hash 87 Linux dash firmware dash Intel dash 20,260,410 dash 1 dash N118.9 MIB 658 KB slash S00 I33 hash 95 Linux dash firmware dash Azeroth dash 20,260,410 dash 1 dash any 27.7 MIB 346 KB slash S05033 hash 61 Make dash background dash 1.28.0 dash 2 dash any 2.3 MIB 64.6 KB slash S110833 hash 5 LLVM dash libs dash 22.1.3 dash 1 dash x86 64 3.5 WebKit 2 GTK Linux dash firmware dash Azeroth dash 20,260 Adam Linux dash total make dash background dash 1.28.0 dash 2 dash any 16.0 MIB 744 KB slash S03933 hash 35 Link total 7 slash 6 make dash background dash 1.28.0 dash 2 dash any 20.1 MIB 196 KB slash S20633 hash 45 WebKit dash 6 total make dash background dash 1.28.0 dash 2 dash any 22.1 MIB 21.9 KB slash S172433 hash 49 WebKit dash 6.0 dash 2.52.3 dash 1 dash x86 6431.4 MIB 548 KB slash S00833 hash 87 WebKit 2 GTK dash 4.1 dash 2.52.3 dash 1 dash x86 648.1 MIB 654 KB slash S04333 hash 22 Linux dash firmware dash other dash 20,260,410 dash 1 dash any 3.5 MIB 55.5 KB slash S73933 total WebKit 2 GTK dash 4.1 dash 2.52.3 dash 1 dash x86 6421.5 MIB 105 KB slash S21833 hash 60 Linux dash firmware dash other dash 20,260,410 dash 1 dash any 20.2 MIB 961 KB total 10 slash dash 10 total WebKit total WebKit 2 GTK.
Why is there ghosts infesting my system with Ghost Script? Okay, I'm done.
6430.8 MIB 6.30
Also, why are we installing beta versions of Windows Vista? Okay, well this is going better. Maybe. Although I should shut my mouth before I jinx it. Oops. Broadcom? Wait, does this install VMware or something? Oh, Jesus Christ.
System D-260.1-2-x8664.2.4 MIB259 KB/S02833-24 GTK4-1-4.2.4-1-x8664 1200 total mate 2.4.1-1-x8664 2.3 KB/S03833-27 dial-3.0.11-1-x8660 vim total 10 vim dial-3.0.11-1-x8664 8.2 MIB400 guide vim clean up complete sync fire error Error warning. Failed to retrieve some files. Errors occurred. No packages were upgraded.
Fuck.
Error. Failed to install packages to new root. Error. Abstract fail. Error. Package installation fail. Error. Installation aborted during step. Finalizing installation. Syncing file systems. Syncing file systems. Unmounting file systems. Unmounting file systems. Installation cleanup complete. Cleanup complete. Root and stormux still the cache.
Well, what do you think? Should I just install XP on this?
Install Debian.
Line 56, column 19, terminal 1.
Oh, okay, you pulled a JAWS for DOS there. Nice. You press numpad delete and it does this.
Line 56, column 19, terminal 1.
Oh, nice.
O-E-R-O-F.
Yeah, so... Not sure what that's all about. Because when I installed this into VMware, and I tried recording this, it worked fine, surprisingly enough. So...
At Audio Gamer 04, Audio Gamer 04. Hello, I'm back as well. Well, I'm here. Well, well, learn, well, at Audio Game, well, learn, chat message input, chat, ellipsis, text field.
So, yeah, we still don't have it working. We still don't know what's going on with it.
Netgear 27, 2 of 3 Wi-Fi bars, status bar item.
The time is 5:15 p.m.
To reveal notifications. Swipe up with 3 fingers to reveal.
Like I said, my internet is trash. I know, but... Oh, wait, why did my speech just die? Oh, duh, because it didn't die. It's just still... It's because my keyboard's connected to the other machine. Duh! Granted, if I had a KVM, I would not have this. I would not have this damn problem. Shit! And there I go, knocking shit off the desk. That's great. So yeah, we still don't have it working. We don't know what's going on with it. I hope...
YouTube live. We 101 slash.
I hope this isn't too large for me to send over Discord, because, I don't have Mastodon, so I can't send it through that.
stormux-VMware workstation pane.
So I'll have to
Pitch 17.
do it this way.
Ops 32.1.2 profile. Start virtual camera. Pause recording. Stop recording.
So yeah, yeah, so there's basically me trying to install stormux on that machine. I have no idea what's going on with it. I don't know why it crapped out. I don't know if it's your servers having issues, or if it's whatever mirrors you're going from having issues, or if it's just because I'm too damn far away and I need to, like... I don't know. So, yeah.
Pause and stop recording.
Ouch. That's gonna hurt tomorrow.